Hey everyone, it's Lindsay from My Crafty Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have my sticker kit lineup for my memory planner for the month of June. I'm really excited to be sharing my kits for the month of June with you. Stay tuned to the end of the video because I will be doing another leftovers destash giveaway. So the details are all in the description below and also will be at the end of the video. So I am really excited. I did just want to pull out my kit binder for you. So I do have my kit binder part 1. This is my sort of currently planning with binder, if you will, and that is where I'm going to be storing all of these kits. I'll show you that at the end as well. But first, let's jump in and take a look at the stickers I will be using this month. So starting with the week of May 30th, which is Memorial Day. This, for me, Memorial Day weekend is the official start of summer in my brain and in my life. We'll actually probably have already been to the beach 1 or 2 times before then. My parents do have a beach house, so we go there a lot during the summer. It's pretty close by. We can drive there. It's easy to drive there for a day or for the weekend or whatever. So that's really nice. So you will see a lot of beach kits throughout the summer. That being said, June is always like a little bit of a funny month. We do live on the East Coast, so the kids are still in school for the first half of the month. So there's going to be like a little bit of a mix going back and forth with some like more spring type kits, some more summer kits. It's a very transitional month in the planner. But to start things off, since we will be off of school Monday, we'll be at the beach the weekend before this, and likely we'll be at the beach Monday and then again this weekend. So here, what we're going to be working with is this kit from Two Little Bees, Sail Away. I am pretty sure I've used this like past formats of this kit for Memorial Day weekend for me before. Something about like nautical vibes and like the navy blue to me is just very Memorial Day. I'm not sure why, but that's just kind of always the vibe I go for Memorial Day in my planner. And this year I will be using the Sail Away kit from Two Little Bees. So here is the full boxes for that. We've got our deco, our headers, lots of gorgeous gold foil. I'm really excited for this. I've got some really cute nautical gold foil things that I've like bought from $2 Tuesdays and different stuff. I even have some underlays that I may use this week. I'm not 100% sure yet. We'll see kind of what vibes I want to go with when it gets closer, but I'm really excited to plan with this. I absolutely love Two Little Bees. Definitely, I think this year it might be my most used shop so far, and it's always up in my top 3. So we have that. She's recently done a little bit of reformatting, so you've got a couple of changes here, and she also has new add-on sheets, and I went super hard on the add-on sheets for this one. So this is the functional add-on sheet. This is the sheet that I always buy from Two Little Bees Extra. It did get a slight facelift. You've got some different things going on with the shapes up top, but I just like to get the extra quarter box size stuff, the extra layering pieces that already have the florals on them, and the floral date toppers. I find those very easy to use. It's a great way to add like a punch of floral to your date covers or to your spread without having to like do all of the work of overlaying all of the pieces to yourself. It still looks super nice. You can add some foil accents in. So I super love that. And I also love the really little deco that you get in this. So I almost always pick up this sheet when I get a Two Little Bees kit. But on top of that, I did go ahead and pick up some of the other floral add-ons because I was just feeling a little bit spendy and really excited about the reformat. So the first one that I have is this sheet. I actually think that this is part of the journaling collection. Let me find my order slip really quick. Okay, so this sheet is called Floral Trims and Shapes. It's got like some color swatches with the florals, again, pre-laid on them, some extra deco pieces, and then the Kiss Cut bottom washi so that you can do kind of like that whole floral thing all the way at the top of your spread or all the way at the bottom. I've never used one of these in a spread before, and when she released this, I thought it would be really fun to use. My friend Tara from the Sticker Garden, who I recently collabed with, she uses these a lot and really likes them. So I decided to give that a try. So I really like that. And then I did get the deco add-on sheet as well. Definitely went a little bit hard on the florals, so I will need to bring a lot of those into the kit. But that is the Sail Away kit and what I will be using for the week of Memorial Day. So then next up for the week of June 6th, I have this Squeeze the Day kit from Vanilla Paper Co. So this is like I don't know, I guess it's summer because of the lemons, but to me it's like spring, summer, and it's also not a beach kit. And I do tend to go really, really hard with the beach kits during the summer, but this is one of the few or only beach kits or non-beach summer kits that I have. So I will be using this for the week of June 6th, and that is, I'm just really excited, and I have some lemon foil that goes with this. I'm really love this, and I love like the tile pattern on this. I just thought it was so pretty. So again, this is from Vanilla Paper Co, and we have some gold foil and lemons. I love yellow. It's like honestly one of my favorite colors, so I'm very excited about this kit. This is a reformat, I think, since the last time I planned with one of her kits, and you do now get a Monday through Sunday in the mini kit, which is great because then I don't have to buy the full kit. I picked this up on super sale. If you are shopping from her, wait for a sale. She often goes and does like 50% off and different things. She always has a sale going and a really good one. So it is definitely a more affordable foil kit shop. And yeah, you have some little like layering items, different things there. This functional page, which is also foiled, really cute, like light touch foiling there. And then your headers and bottom washi. I think that where the date covers on a different page. So the date covers were on the sidebar page. And then I do also have the floral add-on for this, which is really pretty, and I like love the lemons, the touches of lemons on that. So that is going to be really cute and super fun to plan with. So next up, the week of June 13th. This is the week known as Dads and Grads in my book, and it is the week of Dads and Grads. So Father's Day is this Sunday, and our kids' last day of school for the year is the 16th, and we do have a kiddo graduating from preschool this year. So my oldest is in kindergarten, but she stayed in preschool for kindergarten this year, and she's going to be switching schools next year to go to public school for first grade. So this is a really big deal. They do have a graduation ceremony. She had one last year too, because some people leave before kindergarten and some people leave after kindergarten. And it was so cute, and it's going to be so cute again this year. I know it. It's just, I'm really excited about it. And this one, it feels a lot more real since she will actually be changing schools. But so I put aside this kit from Sadie Stickers. It's called Academia. If I happen to spy a more like kid-themed graduation kit, I may like switch that in. I would love to see a Dads and Grads specific kit in the future with like some Father's Day stuff and some graduation-y type stuff. I think that that would be like a really cute kit to have together, especially if it was in like that Scribble Prince Co, like little kids, family boxes kind of style. I would absolutely love to see that for another year. I still have 2 more kids that have left to graduate from preschool and all other schools really. But yeah, so I'm really excited for this week. We will definitely be at the beach this weekend, but I did think that the graduation trumped the beach weekend since we do a lot of beach weekends. So I'm gonna go, I think, with this Sadie Stickers Academia kit. Of course, all kits subject to change until I actually stick the stickers down in my planner, but this is what I've got in mind right now. I think the florals on this are so absolutely beautiful. This is foiled in rose gold, and it just has like the little, I don't know, I think it works for this week. It's got like the books and the little schoolhouse and the dress, very cute. And I just love like the peach and the hot pink on these florals. So here are the full boxes. We have our functional page, our layering page with our sidebar stuff, and then the bottom washi, which that floral washi is so stunning, and date covers, and then I do have the floral add-on for that sheet as well. So that is that. That will probably be the last sort of non-beach kit for a while, but for right now, for this video, I actually only have one more week picked out in here, the week of 6/20, and I will be using this kit from Simply Watercolor Co, and this is called Melody, and it's just really pretty with gold foil, very Atlantic beach vibes. So I had to pick this up, and I'm really excited to use this. So this is the full boxes. Her kits, if you haven't shopped with her in a while, her kits are now on a premium matte paper, so the paper does feel really nice. This, you have date covers, split bottom washi plus some extra small washi. You have, this is a whole layering page, so there's like a bunch of hidden shapes on here, a bunch of different like boxes, like frame cut boxes, things like that, a bunch of layering items that are like quietly hidden in there. It's very pretty, very functional page, and you do have 2 sets of headers as well. And then this, I believe, this may have been an add-on page. I feel like, did I miss one page or no? I guess it's not. No, this was included. So you have the floral trims up at the top, some floral pieces, and then you've got 2 of these like little, you could use them as weekly checklists or as Monday through Sunday boxes, but they don't specifically have the Monday through Sunday labeled on them. And then you do have just like a bunch of boxes here, and this page is unfoiled. So that is the kit Melody, and that's what I'm gonna be using the week of 6/20. I haven't actually picked the kit for the week after this yet. This one is like the June-July straddle. I have something in mind, but I have 4 kits or 3 or 4 kits in the mail currently that are also summer kits. So I wanted to wait until I got those before I started going on. I am mostly done buying summer kits, but I probably will pick up still a few more beach kits. So you're gonna see a lot of beach goodness coming between now and the end of summer, but that is pretty much what I've got going on so far for the month of June planned out for my memory planner. Like I said, I store these all in this kit binder here. You can see this is a little bit chaotic right now because I'm a little bit behind in my memory planner and I've been like skipping to random weeks. So this is the least recent week that I still have to plan for 18, and then I already planned for 25, so I can take that off, and then I have Mother's Day. So basically I just put them on here with these little sticky note tab labels, and this is where these kits are gonna go back in. I already have my weeks all sketched out there, and yeah, that's pretty much how my kit binder works. It's working really well. I did recently have to add a 3rd kit binder to my collection, and what I ended up doing was putting all of my functional kits, things that I had planned out for my functional planner, in their own separate binder. Okay, so before we wrap this up, let's talk about the giveaway. So this is a kit leftovers destash giveaway. I've done a lot of these on this channel. There will be 1 winner. This is open to US residents only, and all of the details will be below. But if you like kit leftovers, and if you don't know what kit leftovers are, basically every time I plan with one of these kits, except for in very rare instances, I just put the extra stickers that I have left over in a destash thing. Now, sometimes you get a sheet like that only has 1 or 2 stickers left on it, but sometimes it's in a Scribble Prints Co. and there's just tons of stuff in here. So this is all of the stuff that I've planned with recently. There are some kits in here from my functional planner. Like I've got a couple of things from Planner Kate in here. And then there's also just some random other sheets that I've gotten like as shop freebies or in grab bags that I don't think I'm gonna use. And I just stick that all in my destash thing. And then when I have enough stuff, I just stuff it all in this envelope, this mailer, which is, you know, this size. And I stuff this thing pretty thick and I will give it away to one of you who likes a destash thing. So if you would like to win it, you can like this video and leave a comment below letting me know that you want to enter, and then also just be a subscriber here on YouTube and follow me on Instagram. And that's all you have to do. I will pick a winner 1 week from today and let you know in the comments. I will reply to the comment of the winner, and then you can just message me on Instagram and we will get that over to you. But that is basically, that's it. That is the details for the giveaway. Again, everything is in the description of the video if you need any more information. I am looking so much forward to summer, and I hope you all are too. And that's everything for today. So if you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd love it if you'd subscribe. Don't forget to enter down below if you are interested, and follow me on Instagram at mycraftyplans to keep up with everything going on my planners. Bye.